Hello and welcome. Welcome and hello. It's currently January 30th of 2025. I know, or I expect anyway, like everyone else, a few weeks ago with a recent set coming out, pretty much nothing was available in my area. While I went to my local Target, decided to do that. And yeah, they had some, I believe these are Crown Zenith. They should be anyway. They had the Zapdos and Articuno. I believe they only had one Zapdos on the shelf and then a few Articuno tins. I just grabbed one of each. They did not have the Moltres. However, yeah, they should have 4 Crown Zenith packs in there, and yeah, I refuse to give into the current trend of, I guess, people buying things and then looking to resell them for profit, because I feel like you know collectors, I guess, should have the opportunity at least to purchase like what are considered recent products at retail pricing and enjoy the things they enjoy. But anyway, I did, out of curiosity, look up these tins on eBay, and it's a nice little knife. Anyway, I believe these are about $40, including shipping, per tin. So there's 4 packs, and then the rest of this is just a very large tin for what it is, with a lot of, wow, that was loud, a lot of wasted space. So anyway, get these out. But yeah, I refuse to play into the current whatever's currently happening with Pokemon. So there's a code card, and get the Zapdos out, and another code card, nice and curved promos. However, sleeve these up and set them up here if they will stay. Yes, no, okay. Anyway, we'll get into these. So, I believe I have opened the Japanese version, maybe, of Crown Zenith. However, yeah, never had the opportunity to purchase these locally, so this would be a first. Energy, a Graveler. There's a Pokemon Catcher, a Salazzle, a Baltoy reverse holographic, and a Wailord non-holographic rare. So yeah, as I said, it's currently January 30th. I'll try to publish this recording maybe 2 days from now. I'm not sure exactly, But just to give you an idea, of course, everyone's local stores, like I have not bothered with Walmart the past few weeks. I've been there a few times and there's not been anything, so I've kind of given up. But I figured it was might be good to post this and just kind of give people a bit of encouragement. There's a reverse holographic rare and a Yan Mega non-holographic. So just maybe give people a bit of encouragement. I highly doubt you'll find the newer sets, but at least there may be something out there. But anyway, Shinx, a Larvesta, Oddish, first card in the set, Seal, a Potion, there's an Energy, a Pinsertion, Great Ball, Sharp, there's a Whalmer, reverse holographic, and a Heliolisk, non-holographic rare. So, there's a code card. This would be the fourth and final pack from the first tin. I'm sure if you remember which orientation those were in, you could figure that out. There's a Helioptile, a Wooloo, Shinx, Snorrunt, a Pancham. There's an Energy, a Rare Candy, Luxio, Trekking Shoes. There's a Lunatone, Galarian Gallery, and a Nessa. I guess holographic rare. So here's the 4 packs from the other tin. And a code card. Emolga, there's another Scyther, a Starly, Riolu, Aron, Energy, another Luxio. There's a Lost Vacuum, another Frenzen Hasui. There's a Galarian Berserker, reverse holographic rare, and a Tangrowth, non-holographic. Code card. A Riolu, another Scyther. Energy Search, another Core Fish, another Aron. There's an Energy, another Bisharp, a Great Ball, another Pinsertion, and another Lunatone, Galarian Gallery, okay, and a Zeraora VMAX. Alright, so that's better, I guess. Code card. There's a Purloin, Rockruff, X-Egg Cute, a Cherubi, Young Goose. I believe I see something. There's an Energy, a Crushing Hammer, another Shaman. There's a Digging Duo. Okay, Drapion V Galarian Gallery card. And a Zarude holographic. Okay, well that's better. Again, decent. Good even, maybe? It's a beautiful card. Done by Yukamori. Okay. Wow. And the final pack. There's a code card. X-Egg Cute. Switch. Another Starly. A Cherubi. A Young Goose. Energy. Salazzle. Pokemon Catcher. Graveler. Shinx reverse holographic, and an Oranguru non-holographic rare. Alright, so yeah, these tins, I would say, just for the enjoyment of opening them, are worth $20 on the shelf, but I would not recommend you go ahead and play into the hype, hysteria, whatever you want to call it, that's happening lately. Be patient, look for local products, don't buy into whatever is going on, and thank you for viewing. I appreciate it.